pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey gems, so I have an unboxing today and I had to chase it, really. Like the FedEx delivery person, I don't know what they did, but it said it was delivered at my house and then it wasn't here, and after calling people and other things, it finally showed up a few hours later. So here is the winter Fab Fit Fun box, and I missed customization, so I did not get to customize anything. So I don't really know kind of what's in here. Let's just see. All right. I know they give you like a magazine. I have to have my coffee here. So big box, but it's very light. Okay. Here we go. Fab Fit Fun. I did take a peek, but I was a little confused. All right. This is what she looks like. Okay. Oh, there's like the paper on top. All right, all right. I don't even have a big enough space for this. This might be a disaster. All right. Let's pull this out. Where's the magazine? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I need to make a little bit more room. Give me a second. Wait, I'm gonna knock everything over. This cannot be everything. Okay, here's the magazine. The products are usually in the magazine. So we are gonna open this up and go through everything. Okay. The first thing that I see are these socks, and they're by Kate Spade. Now, we all know that Kate Spade has some expensive stuff. This says one size. I'm pretty sure this is not going to fit everyone. Okay, I've got scissors here, don't I? I'm sure I do somewhere. Yes. I am a little confused here. Are these supposed to be like ballerina socks or something? You've got like, I don't know, half my foot's gonna be hanging out. All right, let's see. Let's see what we got. What is the, I'm afraid to check the price. I literally am on Kate Spade, like phone cases are like $50, you know? All right, let's see. It's gotta be in here somewhere, right? Okay, yes, Kate Spade. $24. They're workout socks. Okay. Oh, mine has got like a fringe on it. This is what it looks like. Oh. Let me cut that off. Okay. There's two pairs. They've got the grippies on the bottom. Let me put one on. I'm just curious here. I don't even know if I'll like these. Oh my gosh. This looks weird. Like super... Alright. It's comfy though. They're comfy. Okay. Okay. I wasn't expecting socks, but alright. So we get two pairs and they're $24, so they're not really overpriced. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, I got a sticker. Yay. Alright. Bunch of coupons. All kinds of stuff they give you in here. Let's see what I've got next. Allure Geller Cinnamon and Spice eyeshadow palette. All right, let's see her work. Laura Geller, I always see at TJ Maxx. So when I get that in like a subscription box, I'm like, really? Like, really? Okay. Where is the Laura Geller? Oh, here it is. Okay. I don't see a price on it. Have any of you used Laura Geller products? I usually pass them on. I just for some reason don't consider that like a high-end product. This is what it looks like. Now I did see this on the other page, but it was deceiving. I didn't think it was going to be that many colors. Okay, $38. $45? Seriously? Really? Laura Geller? Okay. Eyeshadows are small too. They look small anyway. It's got a mirror. It's got a few mattes. Looks like 5 mattes. Maybe 6, and the rest are shimmers. So I'm kind of curious. I don't know if I want to swatch this or put it in a giveaway since I have so many eyeshadow palettes already. I'm thinking that I'm going to do a giveaway with it. They are some nice fall colors though. Might be a good starter palette for some of you. All right, so that's the second thing. We have the socks, then that. Now, Phase 0. Here's the box. What is Phase 0? It's probably like a blush. Okay. Here it is. Phase 0. $27.50? Wow. I've never even heard of Phase 0, have you? Ooh, it's a pretty color though. Ooh, let's swatch her. Okay, I do like that. Oh wow, that is a really stunning shade. Very stunning. I can even use it with this look. Oh wow, okay. And there's a lot in here. Okay, so I got a blush, socks, and an eyeshadow palette so far. Let's see. The next thing I see is Vera Bradley Compact Organizer, $50. This is, I mean, is really soft. It's zippered. Okay, this is what the inside looks like. It's not a very big bag, so I don't really know what I would use it for. Oh, but they do have some extra little pockets and an extra zipper. So it's a makeup bag, basically. And it's got a $50 value. Vera Bradley. Yeah, I mean, they've got some good stuff. That's a pretty good brand. Okay, the next thing I see is a kind dark chocolate nuts and sea salt with almonds. It looks like a granola bar. I do not like granola bars most of the time because of what they have in them. If you're like a health nut like I am, they don't really have good ingredients. Let me figure out where that is in here and why we got a granola bar. Okay guys, where is it? Ooh, there was workout equipment in here. I would have loved that. Oh, here it is at the end. Try all 3 flavors and take 15% off your purchase on kindsnacks.com. That's it. That's all it says. All right. So we have a snack. Let's put that aside. Then I see by Wish. What do we have by Wish? I wish they had a card so I didn't have to flip through this magazine. I think this is the product. It's a lip scrub. We've gotten so many of those and lip balms. Granted, they're great for the winter, but I don't really know this company very well. Where is it? I know it's got to be in here, and there's got to be a value somewhere. Here it is. Okay. Whish Lip Scrub in Vanilla Bean. It's got tea. Oh, tea free. Okay. It's $20. Okay. I'll put the total cost of everything on the screen. This is what it looks like. It exfoliates, moisturizes, and renews. How do you... No safety seal. So let's pull some out. It smells okay. Let's see what it... So it's gritty. And you would have to wipe off the grittiness, but I'm guessing once you do, it leaves behind a balm and it looks like that. So your lips will be moisturized. All right. Okay. The last thing I see looks like a scarf. And it says $69.50 on it. What? For a scarf? Lucky Brand? Have you heard of Lucky Brand? I'm new to Fab Fit Fun. This is only my 3rd box. And guys, I got a letter in the mail from them because I did the annual membership, and they said that my information was compromised, that I needed to check my credit reports. And I've been holding on to this letter for a few months until this box came so I could share that with all of you. So if you, and in May, signed up for the annual, your information was compromised. And if you didn't get a letter, I would definitely reach out to them. And you know, I have had a few things where I have had fraud on my accounts. So it is very, very concerning to me. And that's something that you would not expect to happen. Okay, the scarf, 2E, Lucky Brand, solid brushed scarf, a wraparound silhouette, and tassel ends make for a stylish scarf. Okay, it feels very warm. It's got the fringe. I actually don't have a scarf right now, so this might work for the winter, but it's like huge. Like, what would I do with all this? Like, for real? I don't know. I'll probably end up giving it to someone as a gift. Oh wait, there is one more product in here. Okay. So, socks, Laura Geller palette, Phase Zero blush, a lip scrub, a granola bar, and the organizer, and then the scarf. And then it looks like I've got cutting boards here. Let's see what the value of these cutting boards are. Cutting boards are always handy to have, but we always usually have them already. Okay, here they are. Set of 4. 5B. What does it say? EPARE is the brand. Cutting board set of 4. Each cutting board features a non-slip backing grip so you can cut your veggies, fruits, and more with ease. The value is $19.95. All right. Let's open them up. They are a decent size. I do have small ones in the kitchen. They're pretty heavy. Okay. It says it's BPA free. And this is what they look like. And they're right. It does have a grip on the back, so there's no confusion on what is the front part, but I wonder how well they work. I'm gonna have to let you guys know the answer to that. All right, that was my Fab Fit Fun. Am I happy with it overall? Yeah, I mean, I can get use out of some of these things, but I did like my first 2 boxes better, for sure. And I am sad I missed customization because I think one of the customization was like, here it is, like a robe with a hood. I would have loved that. Or the blanket, and I didn't get either of those. I don't know. I will put the total value of this on the screen. I'm also going to do a giveaway with this Laura Geller palette because I would rather it go to one of you that does not have a lot in their collection or is just starting out with makeup. So we're going to do a giveaway in this video. And that simply means that you need to be 18 years or older, have a parent's permission if you are under 18 to enter this giveaway. It is just for this palette here. The giveaway will start the time that this video uploads, and the end date and official rules for the giveaway will be down in the description box, so you'll see that there. If you could like this video and subscribe to my channel and share this video out, that would be wonderful. It is not a requirement for you to share the video out, though, in order for you to be a part of the giveaway. So I am wishing you all luck. I do hope that someone gets this that does not have a fall palette yet, and I want to take the time to thank you for watching this video to the end. I really appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so very much. Tell me what you think of this box. Was it worth it? You tell me. I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye! Ooh. I've got a lot of stuff I've got to move.